Welcome to GOA365 English News Bulletin. I am Brian Sequera and these are the headlines. In an additional twist in the tale of the sex scandal, the lawyer of the alleged victim visited Murbunga police station to pick up some mobile phones. BJP Minister Michael again takes a broadside at his party, says it is becoming commercialized. There will be no large change in the temperatures for the next couple of days, even as minimum temperatures of around 19 degrees Celsius was recorded for past few days. And now for the news in detail. What is Michael up to? That is a $1 million question, as the BJP minister again takes a broadside at his party, describing it as becoming commercialized and not listening to the grassroots.
Michael, who has been linked to having talks with Congress in the recent past and in fact has been more of an opposition to the government than the main opposition party, has also accused his party of not listening to the grassroots workers and that huge damage has already been done. In fact, he mocks his own party schemes like free water, saying that more important is uninterrupted water supply.
We have to put our foot down and see that stop all the other big buildings, give basic water to every house. जे आमी हर घर जल म्हणटा ते जल पावंक ना अजुनी लोकांक. फ्री उदक कोणाकूच नाका. गरीबातलो गरीब लोक मनीस आपूण म्हणटा फारीक करपाक रेडी आहा. मिनिमम जे बिल येता आपूण फारीक करपाक रेडी आपल्याक उदकूच दी. ह्या आमी ह्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन भोंवतना लोकांच्या आमी कानांनी आयकला, लोकांनी तोंडांनी सांगला. सारकें व्हेरी व्हेरी स्पेसिफीक सांगलें, सर आमकां फ्री उदक नाका, तूं मंत्री सरकाराचो. फ्री उदक नाका, आमकां उदकूच दी. आमी ते बेजीक पयशे फारीक करपाक आमचे कडेन आहा. वी डोंट वॉन्ट फ्री वॉटर. मनोहर पर्रीकर बीजेपी एंड टुडेज बीजेपी आर टू डिफरंट थिंग्स. आयज कितें म्हणटा ते, कोण जिखता तो राजा, त्या राजाक भितर हाडप. हे जी आमची जनता, हे जे आमचे कार्यकर्ते आहा तांकां काडून अशें उडोवप. कार्यकर्त्यांची पार्टी उरोंक ना न्ही. पार्टी हॅज चेंज. पार्टी वॉन्ट्स ओनली पीपल हू आर विनिंग, हू कॅन विन द सीट. म्हाका दिसता तांकां कळ्ळां आसतलें की मायकल जिखना म्हणून कारण मायकलाक काडलो सायडीन. तशें खूब जाणां सारकी कातर भाजी चालू आहा. खूब जाणांची टिकेटी उडयल्ली आहा. खूब जाणांची टिकेटी आतां पडपाच्यो आहा. थोडे जाण सोडून गेले. थोड्यांची टिकेटी आतां ह्या दिसांनी कातरपाच्यो आहा. कोणाक नव्या मनशांक घेतल्या. हांव पार्टीचेर कोणाचेर पात्र ना. पार्टीचो जो एक तत्व म्हणटा ताका म्हणटा व्हॅल्यूज. जे तत्व व्हॅल्यूज, हे व्हॅल्यूज आयज म्हाज्या हिसपान आमची पार्टी विसरलेली आहा. वसा भायर वसा. अरे कितें ते हे हाडलेले आहा ते आमी म्हणटा कोणाक तरी हाडला आनी काडले, चल वसा तुमी भायर.
अशें म्हणपी कोण
हे मनशांक काडून गोंयांसून भायर घातलेले एक टायमार. ते आयज पार्टीचे हे घेवन बसलेले आहा. हेचेर बसल्या घोड्याचेर ते. आतां खंय वयता ते नोका पार्टीक घेवन. अशें म्हाका दिसता हायकमांडान इमिडिएटली तेजेर ते एक गोवा इज अ व्हेरी स्मॉल टायनी स्टेट इन इंडिया. हाई कमांड ऑलवेज सेज दैट गोवा हमारा हो जाएगा. पण आमचे गोंयकारांक ग्रांटीड घेवचे न्हू. गोवा हमारा हो जाएगा ग्रांटीड घेवंक जायना कोणाकूच. आमी पार्टीचे मनीस, आमकांय दुखलेले आहा. जेन्ना आमचे सालिगांवचे कार्यकर्ते रडले तेन्ना मायकलाक दुखले. जेन्ना पुरवरचे कार्यकर्ते रडले आमकां दुखले. तेणी पूण ते दूख जे आहा ते भितरले भितर जिरोयले. आमी रेसीन ना की म्हाका तिकेट जाय म्हणून. आमी 15 वर्सां भारतीय जनता पार्टीन आसले. आमी सदांच म्हणटाले ही पार्टी जी भारतीय जनता पार्टी आहा ती पार्टी विथ अ डिफरन्स. अशें आतां लेटली कळोन येयल्लें आहा की जो शब्द आहा पार्टी विथ अ डिफरन्स अशें ना. कार्यकर्त्यांची पार्टी आसली एक टायमार, आतां कार्यकर्त्यांक तितलें इम्पॉर्टन्स ना. तुमकां मान्य ना, तुमी चलोंक लागा. हे शब्द मनोहर भाई पर्रीकर जेन्ना आसलो तेन्ना असले शब्द केन्नाच येवंक ना. जेन्ना जेन्ना इनडिफरन्स जाले पार्टी मदेगात तेन्ना तेन्ना मनोहर भाईन सगळ्यांक घेवन बसलो आनी ते प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व केले. आतां तशें ना. आता पार्टी कमर्शलायज जाल्ली आहा. कमर्शियल म्हणटात आमी ताका. म्हणजे पयलो एक रेस्टॉरंट बरें चलता, जेवण रुचीक आसता, कित्याक तितून इल्लेशे लोक येयल्ले आसता. एवरीडे 50 लोक येता, 60 लोक येता, 100 लोक येता. जेन्ना दिसाक 500 लोक येता, 1000 लोक येता, तेन्ना ते कमर्शलायज जाता. आनी कमर्शलायज जेन्ना वोस जाता ती वयरसून सकला येता. नाटक जे आहे गोंयचो लोक पळयता. आमी तितून पक्षाचे एक मेंबर आहा. पक्षाक जर फाल्यां मायकल लोबो ना जाल्यार मायकल लोबो हें करप ना. दोन मनशाची जिद्द खातीर अशें करप ना. दोन मनशाची जिद्द पार्टी काबार करता. म्हाका दिसता हेचेर हायकमांडान इमिडिएट हें करचें, नाजाल्यार मायकलाक तरी काडचें.
Sandeep Kamulkar for GOA365 from Parra.
The lawyer of the alleged victim in the sex scandal case allegedly involving a minister in the present government in Goa visited Mormugaon police station apparently to pick up some mobile phones.
The minister has since resigned and the victim has filed a complaint against those people who took up the issue, including the Congress leader Sankalp Amonkar. Now the victim's lawyer visited the police station to pick up the mobile phone that allegedly has this incriminating videos. Listen to him and the police.
Originally, FIR was 0 and it's forwarded here at Goa. For that purpose, we came to know this with media that some handsets and other things are with somebody. For that, we have personally appeared before this police station and we are leading with Mr. I. So we have described some facts here. And we will continue. Yes, we will briefly tell you with the detailed FIR notes.
So there is another FIR going.
No. That same FIR was forwarded here. The same is copy pasted. 164 statement is already recorded by the Bihar magistrate. Bihar magistrate. 164 and 161 is also recorded by one NGO there. Tirthiya Seva Kendra. Some ladies officials are there, NGOs are there. They have recorded her statement. The statement also with us we will provide.
What are the sections?
Yes, there are the grievous sections like kidnappings and extortions, etc.
She has reviewed some facts in this case. So we are ascertaining the fact, taking her out for investigation. So as we are cross-checking whether she is saying is correct or not. So that's why we are taking her out and we are ascertaining the facts of the case.
Hiru Mahale for GOA365 from Vasco.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The drivers' union affiliated to Taj Tours has refuted allegations that they are illegally grabbing customers at the airports. They say that they have suspended memberships of those found doing such illegal act, and it is the other union that is creating the confusion.
There have been clashes between various taxi unions at the Dabolim airport for the past couple of days. Police complaints and counter complaints have been filed by the unions against each other. Listen to what this union has to say.
ताज इंडिया टूर्साचे जे कमिटी मेंबर्स आहा सगळे हिंगा एकठांय जाला. 2-3 दीस पयले एअरपोर्टाचेर एक झगडी जालेली येल्लो ब्लॅकाची आनी आमचे ताज काउंटराचे ओनराची, टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हर ओनराची. ते आमी कितें सत आहा ते सगळे लोकां उजीर हाडपा आनी सगळे सांगपा हिंगा एकठांय जाला. फर्स्ट थिंग म्हणटा ते एवरी टायम जे कितें झगडी जाला ते एकूच मनशा लागून जाता, तो आसा मुकेश. एवरी टायम तो पियोन येता, आमचे काउंटरा उजीर येता. जे गेस्ट जे गोंया भोंवपा येता तेंचे उजीर येता आनी म्हणटा ये ताज काउंटर वाला चोर है, रेपिस्ट है, ये तुमको लेके जाएगा, किधर भी लुटेगा, मारे. एवरी टायम हेजे पयलीं आमी तेजे नांवान आमी रायटिंगान बरोवन कंप्लेंट दिलेले 25 सायन मारून. सेम तेणें हेच फाटल्यान सगळे आमी सायन मारून दिलेले. सेम तेणें हेच वर्ड यूज केलेले, तुमी चोर आहात. सदां एवरी टायम. लास्ट टायम अशीच कितें प्रॉब्लम जावन जो ओल्ड PI आहलो गुरुदास कदम जो साहेब आहलो तेणें आमकां कितें म्हणलें, आमकां वळखोवपा मेळना कोण हायजॅकर कोण ताज मेंबर. तेणें मागीर आमकां एक सजेस्ट केलें की तुमी ताज मेंबर जे आहा तुमी पास घालात. तेन्ना आमकां इजी पडटलें की ताज मेंबर ताजाचे कोण आनी येल्लो ब्लॅक कोण आनी हायजॅकर कोण. ते प्रमाणे आमी सगळ्यांक ID दिला. जितलेय थिंगा हायजॅकर आहात ते येल्लो ब्लॅकार रावन फुडें भाडे करता, ताज काउंटरा कडेन रावन भाडे करता. ते एक्चुअली लुकआउट आमचे न्हू, ते पुलिसीचे लुकआउट. आनी हे येल्लो ब्लॅक जे आहा टिका आमचेर करता. येल्लो ब्लॅकाचे कितें आहा 3.5ची जे ओनर आहा ते 3.5ची सगळे हिंगा ना. तेंचे एक जाला बिझनस ते काडून तुका परमीट विकपा जाय जाल्यार तेंचे कमिटीन मिटींग जाता काडून टॅक्सी आनी कोणाक विकता. असले जायते ओनर आहा जे लंडनान आहा दुबयान आहा आनी हिंगा गाडी चलोवपा दिला. हेजेर सद्या म्हणटा ते पयले येल्लो ब्लॅक म्हणटा ते कोणाक एक जो गरीब मनीस कोणाक एम्प्लॉयमेंट ना तेका ते गव्हर्मेंटान दिला.
5 वर्सां जालीं आमकां हे कावंटर आहा ते सद्दां पयलींसून तेच सांगता कोण पॅसेंजर येयलो पॅसेंजराक डायरेक्ट सांगता की हे इल्लिगल कावंटर हेंचे कडेन वचनाका. एवरी टायम इल्लिगल म्हणटा. तुमकां कितें इल्लिगल म्हणपा जाय तुमी कोर्टान वचा पुलीस आहा थिंगा वचा. कित्याक इल्लिगल आमकां म्हणटा. कोणी येता डायरेक्ट म्हणटा हे तुमी हिंगा येवपाचें ना एअरपोर्ट आमचो तुमी इल्लिगल भाडें मारताय. आमी इल्लिगल भाडें मारता जाल्यार आमकां एअरपोर्ट अथॉरिटीन कित्याक दिला परमिशन. RTN कित्याक दिला परमिशन. सगळे विथ हायकोर्टान सुद्धा परमिशन दिला. विथ परमिशन आहा म्हणून आमी हिंगा आहा न्हू. आमी ऑलरेडी एक कंप्लेंट हेजेर दिला. लास्ट टायम चॅप्टर केस जाला. आतांय कंप्लेंट दिला. काल ते झगडी जाला पळय तेजेर कंप्लेंट गेले आनी हेजेर कंप्लेंट गेला. दोगांयचे कंप्लेंट गेला. तांकांय सांगला पास कर तेंच्यांनी पास करूंक ना.
Hiru Mahale for GOA 365 from Vasco.
New TMC entrant and former Congress MLA Reginald Lawrence has kicked off TMC's electioneering in full swing in Kurtori constituency, accompanied by TMC MP Mahua Moitra. Reginald said he will convince his people to vote for TMC after explaining how Congress treated him in the past.
Few days back, Salsette heavyweight politician Reginald had ditched the Congress at last minute, resigning as MLA and joining TMC at Kolkata. However, Reginald said he has taken decision to join TMC for the people. I am confident that people will take this party to #1 position, he said.
BJP जर आमी आज उडयतले जाल्यार आमी ए पार्टीक रावन तेगे इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर तेगे सगळे काम जे पर्यंत आज पर्यंत तेंको आहा ते जायत पार्टीको ना. थोड्या टायमा भितर तेणी कितू सिग्निफिकंट मूव केले. हे मूव आमी लोकां पर्यंत व्हरपाचे आनी आमगे लोकांक पावरान हाडपाक आमगे लोकांक पावर दिवपाक आमगे लोकांक तेंगे झुलन तेंगे प्रश्न सेटल करपाक प्लस हे जॉब्सांचेर आज आमगे जायत भुरग्यांक जॉब्स नाय. गव्हर्मेंट जॉब्स आमगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी मेळनाय. जायत कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी तेंगे जॉब मेळटा. सिलेक्टेड कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन जॉब मेळटा आमकां जॉब मेळना. आमगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी आमी कितें केलां. आय एम कॉन्फिडंट that I will go back to my people and I will explain to them. And I am confident they will stay with me. They have seen my work for the last 3 terms. Irrespective of how much support I got from the party, I have stood by the people. It's time when I explain to my people and I have full confidence and faith that my people will stay with me. I was targeted, I would join the BJP. By my own people. How much of faith they had in me. Who was the person who projected candidates on me? When I was in the same party, my own party leaders projected candidates on me. It was very clear. A cake was given to a BJP candidate on his birthday, who is now a BJP candidate. Who promoted him? All these reasons, if you go back at how I was treated in the Congress party, and if they are going to talk against me, when I was in the party, when I was an MLA in the party, Girish went and gave cake. When I was an MLA of the party, when I was sitting MLA, my ticket was delayed. 6 months I'm waiting for formalities to start of the election process. I said every time I said let's join together, let's start, let's unify and fight. Was it happening?
TMC MP Mahua Moitra said Reginald is on right platform to attack BJP. He took right decision of joining TMC at right time.
Reginaldo belonged to a party that started off with 17 MLAs but ended up with only 3 MLAs in the House. Not for any fault of his. He did the right thing. He was loyal. He stayed the course. But he couldn't do work, and now again after 5 years there is a fight against the BJP, and again he was on a platform where they did not know where the fight is against. Are you going to fight within the party or are you going to fight the BJP? So I think he has taken the right decision at the right time.
Ramesh Naikrat for GOA 365 from Kurtorim.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Now for some sports news. We have an aim. We'll choose a good player from our member teams in next 365 days who would represent Goa. Businessman Manoj Kakulo said. He was speaking during the launch of Dempo cricket team jersey.
Dempo Sports Club's cricket team's Dempo Challengers jersey was launched on Tuesday at Dempo House. Manoj Kakulo, Srinivas Dempo and officials from HDFC were present. Manoj later spoke on the Panjim Gymkhana Member League. Later, cricket jersey was launched. The league would begin from 7 January.
We're starting on the 7th. 7th is a Friday. We had to reschedule the dates a little bit because there is a BCCI event which is happening, the under 16 event. That is why we should reschedule the dates a little bit. But I would like to request all of you to please come and enjoy the games, the league. It's going to be fun. Besides serious competitive cricket, there's going to be a lot of entertainment, family participation, lot of fan base which is happening, and the kind of social media wars which have started within the teams is crazy. If you are not following them, I request all of you to please follow all the teams as well as PJML on Facebook, on Instagram, because there are so many things which are happening. It's going to be fun, and now they have started competing with each other on social media. I said, what are you going to do when they reach on the field? You're fighting already so much competitively on the social media as to whose captain is better and whose bowler is faster. I think that goes to show the excitement which is in store. I would like to once again wish Dempo Challengers all the best for this tournament and all the players, and thank the sponsors of Dempo Challengers for having played a part in success of our tournament. And obviously next year I will make sure that Rajesh and me will reach you faster than Baba. Thank you once again and congratulations to them.
This is yet another opportunity. I must thank Panjim Gymkhana for coming up with this unique league. I think everybody enjoys cricket, and the kind of cricket that they are proposing. I mean, I was really pleasantly surprised at the auction, the way they conducted the auction. And both my friends Manoj and Rajesh are here. I really didn't expect this kind of an arrangement. You know, you really felt so good. And many of my friends are my competitors. Nandan is sitting here, who's a very dear friend. And you know, in a lighter vein, though I want to win every time that I play, I don't mind losing to people like him. So it's more of fun, it's more of being together, it's more of, but my players are here, please win for us. Don't get a different message. And I think all the teams are very well balanced. I was watching the auction with great detail. I think the way the auction came through, I think everybody is so balanced that it can be anybody's game. So I also take this opportunity to wish all my competitors, Nandan is physically present, but all, you know, Bale, Prescon, then Tanmay, all of them, that let's all have a good game.
Sandeep Kamulkar for GOA365 from Panaji.
Now for the weather. There will be no large change in the temperatures for the next couple of days, said the Met Department. Even has minimum temperatures of around 19 degrees Celsius were recorded in the state for consecutive days.
Goa also saw haze in the late nights and early mornings. The weather was also cool and dry, with maximum temperatures barely touching 30 degrees. GOA365 Bureau with inputs from IMD.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook, GOA365 TV, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, GOA365 TV, or download our app, which is available on both Android and iPhones, to watch all the latest news and updates on your mobile. Take care, stay safe, and keep watching GOA365.